Okay, so that's what today's video is about. Just doing some real quick basic stuff. If you're the mom with kids, young kids, or if you got teenagers, or if you got pets, they're hard on furniture. It's just part of it.
Oh my goodness. That's just after like 10 seconds of rubbing. Oh my goodness. Uncle Eric brought over his certification so we could see that he is qualified to give advice. And this is the listing of all of the things that you can do. That's quite the list, actually.
Yeah, I'm actually there. My leather one's not on there.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Look, we don't have leather around here.
So what this is the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration certification. This is the governing body when you do high-end cleaning or restoration insurance work.
Yeah.
Before I was a farmer slash spreader guy slash welder slash mechanic, I actually got a background, 10 to 15 years worth, in the insurance restoration industry, drying flooded buildings, mold remediation, lead asbestos abatement, all that stuff.
So a couch like this is child's play.
So what you do when you're in that industry, you wait around for the phone to ring, and usually you get 4 to 5 jobs at a time.
Yep.
Because the main thing I did is dry flooded buildings.
So in between the big insurance projects, you did carpet cleaning and couch cleaning.
Exactly.
Well, good. So my couch, even though I think it's really disgusting right now, you've seen much worse.
You know what's funny about that? Your dirt is always, it's what you notice, it is not what everybody else notices. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna go over some just basic household tips. I'm gonna show you some non-professional cleaners. The neat thing with everything I brought with me is actually everything's green, everything you can buy over the counter, everything you should be able to buy from.
Down below.
The neat thing about 10 years ago, everything started going more to a green side because you don't have to have them as MSDS sheets with it. But I'm gonna use some citrus salt today. This is a Bridgepoint product. Okay, so here's the deal. You get what you paid for. The neat thing with these, they're green, they're safe. If kids get in them, pets get in them, you don't gotta worry about anything, but they work fantastic.
Well, and Eric, I had said, I thought the only way to get these couches cleaned, since you don't have your cleaning van anymore, was to like rent like a rug doctor. And Eric was like,
no, let me back up. Because Rug Doctor's a brand like Tylenol, Advil, you know.
Okay, that type of thing.
A portable machine like that, you can still get great results. You can still get great results with some of the stuff you bought at like Walmart, little handheld ones.
Yeah.
Great. If that's what you like using and you've had good results with it, keep using it.
Sure.
I'm gonna show you some simple techniques. We actually started on a corner of one of Dawn's couches because I was a little nervous.
It looks awesome.
I mean, like what, a minute?
Yeah, I'm like looking at it now drying and I'm like, oh my goodness, why didn't I do this a long time ago?
Yeah, well, and that's what, okay, so that's what today's video is about. Simple, clean, just a 5-minute wipe down with a rag. It's gonna be dry in 10 minutes. You're good to go.
Awesome. Well, let's get to it then.
Okay, so do we want to show them the cushion that we already started on?
Sure. So this is the spot we just did. It's already drying. I mean, we did it like 15 minutes ago and it's...
Yeah. We'll go after this stain right here.
Okay. All right, so show us what you have.
This was just the natural orange. All I did, I put a couple little drops into a bottle, mixed it up. The neat thing with this, the pH is at 7, so it's totally neutral. It's designed to work without water, so you're gonna see, we're gonna wipe this down, and then I don't gotta go back over it to flush any of the solutions out. It can stay right in the fabrics. It's designed that way. Okay, so we got this stain here. This is just a clean, simple cotton rag. I'll tell you one little trick too. When you buy them, you'll buy them in a pack of like 10.
Yep.
Throw them in the washing machine. I don't know what's in them, but they never seem to work really good right out of the package. Wash them once in hot water. Boom, they work really, really good. So we're just gonna let that, we just sprayed that down. And this is what I'd run into all the time with kids, with pets.
Oh my goodness. That's just after like 10 seconds of rubbing. Oh my goodness.
So a lot of times couches, they just get a lot of grime. I know your kids never eat on the couch, right?
Yeah.
But
at least not when Daddy's home.
Grime, oil. So again, here we go, clean rag.
Wow, that's nuts.
So this is, again, just going back to basic household cleaning. Now, I'm going to get people that go, what do you think of Dawn dish soap? Love it. Not the place for furniture. You don't got enough water you don't have any water to actually extract it out.
So if you've cleaned with something like Dawn dish soap in the past, there could still be residue left over from it, and that attracts more dirt.
Grab a bottle of water, dump it on there, and just take a whole bunch of rags and just press it on. What people don't realize, the cushions are usually all polysynthetic.
Yeah.
They don't absorb water. It's the cottons that are in the like poly fabrics in general don't absorb water. They want to push it out. So that's why this has some poly in it. That's why it's drying so fast.
Okay.
90% of your couches out there today are gonna have polys in them. So they want to push the moisture away. So they're not absorbing it. A cotton couch, something like that, wool rugs, they're gonna have, they're gonna be water licking. So they like water absorbent.
Okay.
So.
What about if you have a microfiber couch? Can you use these?
Oh yeah, that's where microfiber and kids, man, they should just hand out a booklet.
So you could use the same technique and cleaners on a microfiber?
Absolutely, yeah. No,
Okay.
microfiber is all poly. All poly. They
Okay.
don't like water. They're gonna go like this. They're gonna get wet in 10 minutes. They're gonna be dry. You're gonna be good.
Okay.
So again, and all we're doing is a little elbow grease here.
So with this solvent, you don't have to worry about putting too much on?
Nope, it's designed to do this. So this is where this product is actually designed to do. This is why I love it. And what you're gonna notice is you're just gonna keep letting that sit. And I mean, again, we just keep pulling the grime out of it. So the other thing you're gonna find is you're gonna want a box of white rags.
Okay.
Because you're literally just gonna keep on.
All right, we got a mystery spot back there.
So all I'm gonna do,
So if you had like it's probably a marker or
Yep.
something like that.
I'm gonna show you why I love citrus. Okay, all I'm gonna do is dab the bottle literally in it. Unless it's washable markers. I don't know what it is. I can get Sharpie out.
I know washable
There we go.
markers aren't washable.
I bet you that's marker. Yeah, they aren't. No,
No.
I can get Sharpie out in a minute. Washable markers? Oh, you're kidding me.
Right.
They're a nightmare. Okay, there's one thing I'm gonna warn you guys. When you do your own furniture, there's always the chance you're gonna make the stain worse.
Okay.
So, see how we're spreading it?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's still moving. The stain is, so we're
Yeah.
doing good. But if you wanted to get real high end, you can get another one, just of clean tap water, and spray that down too.
Okay.
But you might be when you go after a marker stain, you might come back in an hour and it might be worse. The cool thing, as long as it keeps moving like that,
Yeah.
you're fine.
Keep working
Just
on
keep
it.
working on it. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, and then if you get it like that, what you want to do, because that's pretty good, throw a fan on it, dry it faster.
Okay.
That's going to help it keep from bleeding. But
Oh, okay. All right, I did want to ask though, because this is what we've used in the past.
have you
with
had good results with it?
mixed results.
Here's the thing with spotters. You take the good with the bad. Okay, what was the saying you used it on?
Throw up.
Okay. Using the product to get vomit out, better result than like not using it, right?
Yeah, then just like water,
Okay.
I guess.
And what,
I don't know.
What was
Maybe.
your kind of disappointment with it?
I felt like it left a ring, like a water ring on the couch.
Yep. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna tell you with these. Use them for what they are. Are they quick, easy? You can buy them at the local Target, Walmart, etc. Absolutely, something like that they're great for. Okay, when you get the ring, a couple days later, go back out, try to flush it with water. That's the
Okay.
ultimate problem with anything over the counter is they're not designed to stay in, they're designed to be diluted with water, and you can't get enough water in them to flush them. If you looked at a professional carpet cleaning rig that's a van mount or a truck mount, they're literally flushing gallons of water in
Right,
to take
right.
it out.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay.
So, know what they are, they got their place, kid throws up at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's about what it was.
you're gonna be happy. It's gonna smell better than vomit.
Right.
So, once you get it mixed up, I mean, honestly, you just
Yeah,
leave it in
you
a
just
bottle
keep
like
it,
this.
Have
Yep.
it ready to go.
Especially when you see the kids go, oops. So,
Yeah.
most of your, especially when it comes to furniture, so much of it just comes down to basic grease, oil, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. And you said the citrus is great on
All
grease
of that.
and oily
Yep,
kind of
and you
stuff.
actually see
Okay.
me take it out with marker.
Yeah.
That's why, like, it's kind of the one do-all.
Yeah.
And the neat thing with it, being a green product, again, it's just safe. You don't gotta worry about it. You don't gotta
Yeah.
worry about obnoxious fumes. So that's why I love cleaning with that.
Thanks, Eric. Let us know what other cleaning questions you have because we will invite Eric back. But the cleaners make a big difference, so we'll link to those down below, technique then too. All right, well thank you, Eric. Leave your questions down below and give Eric a thumbs up too. That would be appreciated. But we hope you subscribe so we can spend more time together. Having a simplified house also makes cleaning easier. So be sure to subscribe so we can spend more time together and we'll visit with you again soon.